Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you gorgeous and beautiful nail paints. With it, I will also tell you that how you can strong and grow your nails. There are some tips which you have to follow. With the help of my tips, definitely you will grow strong and beautiful nails. I decided to make video for you guys to get rid of weak nail problem. To protect your nails and stain free, follow my instructions. Give cuticles your nails. You can do it in the home easily. First of all, before going to bed, apply warm olive oil to your nails and cuticles. Massage gently for 15 minutes. Wear cotton gloves over the night. Do this once daily. Secondly, mix 1/4 cup of organic coconut oil, 1/4 cup of honey, and 4 drops of rosemary essential oil. Warm the solution in the microwave for 20 seconds. Soak your nails in it for 15 minutes. Follow this remedy 2 to 3 times in a week. Thirdly, soak your nails in fresh orange juice for 10 minutes. Rinse them off with warm water. Pat dry, apply some moisturizer. Follow this remedy once daily until you have satisfied with the result. Fourthly, mix 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Slightly heat the solution in microwave. Soak your nails in the water for 10 minutes. Follow this remedy daily. In these 4 remedies, you can follow one strictly to get strong and beautiful nails. I will share the remedies detail in the last of video also. Another remedy which you will follow to get stronger and stainless nails is mix equal amount of raw water and apple cider vinegar in a small bowl. Soak your nails in this water for few minutes. Immediately after, gently push down the cuticles. Do this twice in a week. It will make your nails much stronger. Vitamin C also strong your nails. Some other natural things like horsetail, tea tree oil, sea salt, lemon juice, biotin sub strong and grow the nails. Some like you will mix the equal things in the bowl, soak your nails in water and cuticles. Your nails will get best results. You will also share these remedy details in the end of the video also. For cuticles, soak your nails in warm water for 5 minutes. Wash cuticles with the help of orange stick. Mix 3 tablespoons of lotion and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Heat for 30 seconds. Rub the mixture onto your cuticles and nails. Put gloves on your hands and hit the hair. There is also stronger nail strengthener is 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon, 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Mix all ingredients in a bowl and soak your fingers and nails for 10 minutes. Now I'm sharing the remedies. Follow them and get stronger nails. Keep watching my video to get update with new fashion and healthy remedies. See you in the next video. Allah bless you all. Thanks for watching. And one thing, don't forget to follow, subscribe and like my channel.